Welcome to my YouTube channel, Running Factory. And in case this happens to be your first time, make sure to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Now, this is Shelly and Fraser Pryce. And do not forget that Shelly and Fraser Pryce made it known earlier this year, 2024, that this Olympic is going to be her last dance. Now, guess what it means for someone to train so hard for 4 good years, and all of a sudden, he or she did not get the chance to participate in that same competition she has been training hard for. Do you know how painful it is? Do you know what it means? Now, this was Shelly and Fraser Pryce when she was not allowed in the warm-up area. She was literally rejected. And the whole wide world was watching and nobody could do anything about it. Right? The biggest legend in track and field was denied the opportunity to have access to the warm-up area as earlier as possible. There is no look. I'm not gonna doubt that this is the reason why Shelly this attributed to Shelly and Fraser Pryce not performing in the 100-meter semi-final. I'm not saying this is the reason why she did not participate, because we have seen evidence that Shelly actually, after being denied access together with Shericka Jackson, she actually later got access to the warm-up area. But the report we heard was she got access to the warm-up area late, right? So I feel like this has contributed to Shelly and Fraser Pryce not making it to the semi-final, because she didn't get the time to warm up as earlier as possible. And trust me when I said I was totally pissed up when I heard this news. I was like, oh no, what is happening? In fact, I nearly cried. So I'm making this video because I feel like nobody wants to talk about Shelly and Fraser Pryce whole situation, because trust me, Shelly might actually be feeling very, very sad on herself right now. Do not forget that Shericka Jackson was also denied access to the warm-up area, but Shericka had to just kind of couple up her mind and be bold enough to go there and represent her country, right? I'm not saying Shelly was not bold, because I think Shelly got an injury during the warm-up, and maybe that's the reason why she did not make it, right? But trust me when I tell you that Shelly is bleeding. She is crying right now. I'm not talking about physical cry though. I'm talking about Shelly not happy with herself. Yes, whether you like it or not, Shelly and Fraser Pryce herself, she is more than sad than you are, because she have always been telling us Paris is gonna be my last dance. Paris is gonna be like my last dance. Paris, and look what happened. Look what happened to her. Right? So I'm just hoping that by 2028 LA, is it? By 2028 Olympics, Shelly will made another decision to participate again, because that would be amazing, right? Because I don't think Shelly will retire. The fact that she did not get the opportunity to participate in this Paris Olympic, I know Shelly to be a never giving up athlete. So I'm having high hope that she will be available in the 2028 Olympics.